Good morning, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. Today's I will start the oxytoxic drugs. Okay, what is the oxytoxic drug? Ergot. Ergot is the indole alkaloid. Okay, on that drug, ask the question in exam like that. Write a synonym, biological source, then chemical constituents and use of the ergot, or write a collection and preparation of the crude drug for the marketed as exemplified by ergot. Okay, then in last lecture we have discussed about the uh, gross anatomical study. Okay, now I will start the ergot. Okay, firstly see the synonym. What is the synonym of ergot? Ergot of synonym. Synonym of ergot is the ergot of Rei or ergota. Synonym of ergot are ergot of the Rei or ergota. Then biological source, ergot is a dried sclerotium of a fungus. Then Claviceps purpurei tulasne. Then developed in the ovary of Rei plant. Then Secale cereals linea, that is Gramine. Okay, it contains not less than 0.9% of the total alkaloids of ergot, calculated as ergotoxin, of which not less than 50% consist of the water soluble alkaloids of the ergot, and calculated as ergometrin. Okay, what is biological source? Ergot is a dried sclerotium of the fungus Claviceps purpurei tulasne, then developed in the ovary of the Rei plant, then Secale cereal linea, and family is the Gramine. Then next is the geographical source of ergot. Are Switzerland, then Yugoslavia, then Hungary, and Czechoslovakia. Czechoslovakia. Then history of the ergot. The name of the this drug is organized from the French word ergot, which means fur, and indicates the shape and attachment of the sclerotia to the infected spikes. Then, like the fur which is attached to field in the European countries and Russia. These are the history of ergot. Then collection and preparation of the ergot. Okay, collection and preparation of the ergot. Firstly, presently ergot is produced by the natural way, that is cultivation of Rei plant. Then subsequently infecting which with this fungus, as well as by artificial way, that is saprophytic production. Then for the natural way of the production, Rei plant is a host and ergot is a parasite. It is known that more than 600 plants from different families of wild and cultivated grasses act host for ergot fungus as a parasite or pathogens. The various other known species of this fungus are C. microcephala, C. nigricans, and C. paspali, which can produce the ergot. Among all the hosts, Rei is the better host for the large scale production of ergot by way of the quality and quantity. Then among the various stage of development of this fungus, sclerotial stage or a dormant stage contains the maximum amount of drug. For systematic study, it is necessary to know the other development stage of fungus, or more precisely the life history of the ergot. Okay, here are the life cycle of ergot. The explanation I will start. The ovary of the Rei plant as its base then get infected by the ascospores of the fungus in a spring or summer season. The spread of the ascospores to ovaries it influenced by wind and insects. After the infecting the ascospore germinate in the favorable conditions like moisture and damp climate, Then the germination of the ascospores leads to formation of hyphal strand, which go invading the wall of ovary with the help of enzyme. By this way, the hyphae from a soft white mass of the tissue over the surface of the ovary, which is called as mycelium. The mycelium secretes a viscous and sugary fluid called as the honeydew. Then, at the same time, the hyphal strand produce the hyphal strands produce asexual spores called as the candidio spores, then which remains in a suspended from in honeydew due to the sugary fluid that is honeydew. Then the insects and ant are attracted, which the further help in the spread of the fungus to other host plants. This developmental stage is the sexual stage and called as the spacilial stage. Then the hyphae further invade into the deeper part of the ovary and slowly replace the entire tissue of ovary by the compact tissue called as the pseudoparenchyma, which is hard and dark purple. Then it is called as the sclerotium stage, and it is considered as a resting or dormant stage of the fungus and contains maximum amount of the ergot alkaloids. Then if this sclerotium is left uncollected in eventually falls on the ground, and in the unfavorable seasons, that is the spring, gives out stomata which are in the elongated form. Each stomatum has a globular head and a stalk. Then a head portion contains a large number of the perithecia, and every peritheциum is like a flask shaped structure which contains a number of sacs. Then each sac containing the ascospores, which are thread like in the appearance. Then ascospores are the sexual spores capable of inducing fresh life cycle of the fungus by infecting the ovary of the rei plant. Then selection of the correct strain of the fungus, that is Claviceps purpuri. Then appropriate containers for preparation, large scale ergot inoculum and ideal nutrition medium are important requirement for the commercial production of the ergot. The various chemical races of the fungus can produce the only specific ergot alkaloids like ergotamine, then ergometrin and ergotoxin in appreciable quantities from their sclerotia. The ascospores of this species with the specific chemical race are germinated on nutritive medium, and by this way large bulk of the candidospores are formed. Thus, the suspension of this strain of fungus is spread on a rei plant in a large cultivated area. Then, apart from the field cultivation, other method which is most practiced is saprophytic production of the ergot. This process was initiated in Japan by Professor Abe. Saprophytic production is convenient in many ways as it eliminate the variation in a yield due to the weather condition, and production can be achieved throughout the year. For this method, various strains of ergot are used depending on the type of the ergot alkaloids to be obtained. Then Claviceps pasphali gives clavins and simple lysergic acid derivatives. Then it is much easier to manufacture clavins and simple lysergic acid derivatives and then convert them to different peptide alkaloids, that is ergot alkaloid, for nutrition of cultures of fungus. Specific nutritions are used and fermentation is carried out in temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and in a pH of 4.6 to 6.3. The fermentation process for these submerged cultures in a shaking flask for fermenters takes from 7 to 21 days. The isolation, separation, and purification of simple lysergic acid derivatives or synthesized alkaloid is done by a usual by usual ways applied for other alkaloids. The lysergic acid derivative are converted to lysergic acid, mm, and further partly synthesized into ergometrin and other peptide alkaloids. The saprophytic production is much practiced nowadays because mycelial dry weight gives even more than 20% of alkaloids, while neutral uh, sclerotia contains not less than 1% of the alkaloid. The process of fermentation is properly regulated or controlled for optimum bioproduction of useful metabolites. Okay, these are the collection of and preparation of ergot and life cycle of the ergot. Then next is the chemical constituents of ergot. Okay, the water soluble pear contains negative ergometrin and its dextro part of the ergometrin. The water insoluble group is further divided into ergotamine and ergotoxin group. Which what is chemical constituents of ergot? Ergometrin and ergotamine and ergotoxin. Okay, then here are the chemical structures of the ergot. Ergotamine, then ergocristine, then lysergic acid diethylamide, that is LSD, then chemical structure of the ergocryptine, then second is the ergocene, then third is the ergocornine, and last is the methylsergide. Okay, that is derivative of the lysergic acid used as a migraine prophylactic. Then next is the chemical constituents of the ergot. First is the ergot powder gives a blue color with a p-dimethyl amino benzaldehyde, that is 1 Yerkes reagent. Then second is the second chemical test. Ergot is treated with solvent, ether and sulfuric acid, and the filtrate obtained shows red-violet color in its aqueous layer when treated with a saturated solution of the sodium bicarbonate. Then third is the ergometrin gives a blue fluorescence in water. Then fourth is the ergotamine responds to a specific test. Little quantity of the ergotamine is dissolved in glacial acetic acid and ethyl acetate. A small portion of these are treated with a sulfuric acid and shaken well, by which blue color with a red tinge appears. By addition of ferric chloride, blue color depends while red tinge becomes faint. Then standardization is ergot and its alkaloid are analyzed by spectrocolorimetric method, and bioassay is carried out for oxytoxic activity. Then next is the use. What is the use of ergot? Ergot and its alkaloids have a many different uses. Nowadays, ergot is not used as a whole, but isolated alkaloids are used in the therapeutics. Then ergot and ergometrin maleate are used as a oxytoxic and sometimes used to enhance the labor pain in delivery cases, then and also prevent the postpartum uh, hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage. Then ergotamine tartarate is used as a specific analgesic in treatment of the migraines. Then it is given along with the caffeine. Then ergotoxin, it is a methanosulfonates, then are used in the geriatric patients. Then lysergic acid diethylamide is a semi-synthetic derivative and possesses psychotomimetic actions and used in the psychiatry, but owing to its abuse, it is used controlled under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Okay, and prepared ergot. The powdered and immediately defeated ergot is called as a prepared ergot, and it is required to contain 0.90% of the total ergot alkaloids calculated as ergotoxin, of which 15% should be ergotamine, and its dose is 0.15 to 0.5 gram by oral routes. Okay, here are these all are about the ergot. Ergot are the indole alkaloid. Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you.